Not everyone likes bike riding, and sometimes bike riding doesn't like us. That's why we created an amazing riding experience like no other. It's fun, it's simple, and it's extremely stable.
Welcome to the DC Tri-Commuter. With 3 wheels and a low centre of gravity, you can comfortably stand and ride over long distances and at speed. All this with minimal physical effort, yet maximum enjoyment and fun. Simply step onto the platform, push the throttle down, and you're away. At speeds of up to 15 miles per hour, and with literally no effort at all. It's great for lifestyle, fun, and sustainable urban commuting. With the addition of optional rear tyre sleeves, you can enjoy the sensation of drifting, spinning, wheel stands and trick riding. The trike features a range of high-quality bike components, including a lithium battery, which can enable you to ride up to 30 miles at a time. Forget about public transport or driving your car to work. Save your money and leave the traffic behind and arrive both stress and sweat-free. Our first delivery of trikes has arrived in Australia and we're truly excited. Now, we need your support to take the DC Tri to the world. With your backing, we can commit to immediate large-scale production. Your support will enable us to complete our next passion, the development of a wheelchair-accessible trike, which will allow increased freedom and accessibility for wheelchair users. So, check out the DC Tri.
We hope you're as excited about the launch of the DC Trike as we are. Come along and enjoy the ride.